This is PJ Morton. I'm here with Trisha, and we're about to ride Tiana's Bayou adventure for the first time. I'm about to hear my song for the first time on the ride. Special Spice, come with us.
Let's do it.
Let's go.
Yeah. Yes.
All right. Woo. Here we go. Thank you, guys. Wow, here we go.
Here we go. It's been a lot of work leading up to this point.
Hey, Tiana. Hey.
Hey, y'all.
Just as a kid, I've always been inspired by the big songs of Disney. For me and my sister, it started with Little Mermaid, singing those songs, and so it's just things. Oh, yeah.
Hey.
Man, she looks so good, man. Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. We knew we wanted a celebration. We knew that we wanted something that would welcome people in.
So you have to, I guess, honor.
Honor what's been there and also introduce something new and fresh to it. But you have to get lyrics that speak to everyone and speak the right way. So it was a fun process for me as a songwriter. Finale room is just like amazing. I mean, it puts you right into it. The music is playing, the band is playing, the Misfits, which I love. Everybody's welcome. It's a party. Seeing that, seeing it done, seeing the animatronics, which are top notch. And of course, the icing on the cake for me is that my song is playing, and it went from writing a song at the piano to an attraction with all these things going on. That was the feeling I got, a dream come true. People say that all the time, but this is literally a dream come true to be at Disney.